Glam Fam, so today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Ariana Grande's new music video, 3435. If you have not seen it, go check it out. It's pretty awesome and amazing, and she has some amazing styles in it, as usual. And yeah, if you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. I hope you will hit that subscribe button and stay and become part of the Glam Fam. And let's keep this intro short and sweet and jump into this tutorial. As you can see, I've already done my base. I have my eyebrows and my foundation done, and I've also primed my eyes with some concealer. So we're gonna jump into this tutorial by going into this new Hip Dot palette I got from one of my friends. Shout out to you. It is super cute, and the packaging is flawless. It has some crazy awesome marbled coloring, and then when you open it, this is what it looks like. This is the Xeon palette. First, we're going to be going in with Maze, which is this transition tone. We're going to pop that onto the eyes. Alright, and then we're going to go into this really pretty purple berry color. So we're going to go and dip into Majesty just a little bit, and we're going to put that into our outer, listen, I can't talk today. We're going to put that into our outer crease. We're going to also wing this up a little bit. Tell me that this is all just a dream. Kind of like that. Yes. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with Vibration, and that is a really pretty brown shade. And we are just going to blend those two colors together. Once we have this on and blended out, we are going to go in with our liner, which is the star of the show, and we're going to be going in with a white liner. I am using a liquid lipstick. If you use a liquid lipstick, make sure it is a fully matte drying liquid lipstick. Otherwise, you can use face paint, or you can just go get a white liquid eyeliner. But for me, the liquid eyeliners that are white aren't as opaque as what I'm looking for, and they dry out super fast, so I honestly really do just recommend a white liquid lipstick. So what we're gonna do is just go in and line our eyes first. Alright, now that we have our eyes lined, don't worry about the white on your eyelashes, because we're gonna put mascara on anyway, so you good. You good. Just real quick, this freaking palette is really good. I really like the way that they blend it out. Ooh, shout out to Dark, man, because this is fire. Now we're gonna go in and do the graphic part of this liner, which is, it's gonna come up and then back into our eye. This is gonna give it that like very crisp, almost kind of like alien-like, which I really think is so cool. But we are just going to follow our eyelid when we're looking up and forward. And so when I'm looking up and forward to you, where it collapses, we're going to go just above that line, and that is going to be what we follow to make sure they're semi-even. Alright, so now you can see that these are kind of like swooped in, and Ariana's is much more angular. So we're just going to fix that, make this part of our eyeliner a little thicker so that it doesn't swoop. Does that make sense? So see how it's more of like an angular position now. Alright, and now we're going to do a little tiny line with black liner on top of this white liner. Alright, there we go. Same on the other eye. Both eyes finished. And we are going to add our mascara and our lashes. I'm going to be using the Vegas Nay Eyelure Luxe Collection Golden Goddess. Alright. Lashes on, and I am really loving this graphic liner, let me tell you. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to heavy up my contour, because in the video Ariana has a lot of shading going on. And then I'm gonna go in and start to highlight. I'm gonna be going in with my regular Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop color, and we are going to pack this on.
This is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a difference.
We're gonna also take some of this with a smaller brush and just pop it underneath our brow and bring that out to meet the other highlights. And then I'm gonna put a little bit underneath as well. Going to add some mascara to the bottom of my lashes. There's that. And then we're gonna move on to lips. So in the video, Ariana is wearing more of a like mauve-y, but also kind of like bronzy shade. It depends on what shot you get her lips in, because I believe she's wearing a couple different lip shades with the same look. But we're gonna go with the darker one. And this is Madrid Liquid Lipstick from KVD. I'm gonna add some highlight over the top. That is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of Glamfam. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah!